we're gonna have a doctor coming into the school and give everybody shots against coronavirus. Even I gonna get my shot. Oh no, I can't believe this. Are we gonna all have shots in here? Of course, this is super important. Remember, coronavirus is a very aggressive virus. Oh no, can it go away? No way. And let's wait for Dr. Blue. She is on her way to the school. I'm Dr. Blue. We were waiting for you, doctor. Yes, how many students do you have in this classroom? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students. 5. Oh, 5 for students, but you're gonna have yours too. Let me go into my car so I have another shot there. So I'm gonna bring 5, okay? Alright girls, you already listened to the doctor. Actually, I'm gonna pull your chairs in one line so you don't have to calm down. So you're gonna be first. No, we don't wanna be first. Now you, Pamela, come. The doctor is gonna be coming back pretty soon. So you're gonna be third. And what about you, Linda? I'm super terrified. I'm gonna be with you. Come. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing one of the students. Oh, you, Gloria, come up here, please. I don't want to. Yes, you have to, Gloria, please. You have to collaborate. Now we have a nice line. This is an awesome line. We're gonna wait for the doctor to come with 5 of the shots. Hello, I'm ready over here. I need cotton. Oh yes, I have it ready for you, Dr. Blue. All right, let me go in here. And this is gonna be fast. Why? Yeah, let's clean this up. You are ready. Well, I feel pretty good. Okay, who's gonna be next? Gloria. Come on, Gloria. I don't want to. Don't be afraid. And don't jump out of your chair. Clean that. And here we go. I don't like this coronavirus. I know, sweetie. That's why you need to have that shot. Well, I'm happy now. Can I now go to the park? Of course. Now you can go and play. Go. Yeah, teacher, can you help me? Of course. I'm very scared. Boo, go away, boo. No, boo. You don't scare me. Boo. Come on, you're so creative, but you think you're a ghost. You don't scare me. Boo. No way, I'm not gonna go away. So, give me that cotton, please. And let's do the second shot in this skull. 1, 2, 3. I don't like you, doctor. Well, okay, but this way you're gonna be pretty safe. Alright, you did a great effort. Now, next one, please. Oh, come on. Who do we have there? And here we go. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Alright. Oh, my mom. Great effort. You can see that you're friends because you're standing in the same chair. One more. All right, you did a great effort, love. Now it's your turn. Everything is gonna be okay. We are almost done. By the way, you have an amazing classroom. Look at that. Turn around, Maria, and let's go. Oh, I think that I'm gonna faint. No, you're not gonna faint. You're gonna be all right. Now let's do this. 1, 2, and 3. Everybody was crying in this classroom. My work is all done for today. My work is done. Let's play. Now we are protected and safe. Bye-bye.